Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the opportunity to share my research experience in this webinar. First of all, let me extend my gratitude to the Faculty of Education, Universitas Negeri Semarang, especially the committee of the International Webinar on Primary Education on the Digital Era for having me here as the speaker. I'm Kurnia Salviana from Basic Education Program, Postgraduate Universitas Negeri Semarang, Indonesia. Today, I would like to share the result of my research on interactive PowerPoint of human interaction with their environment 5th grade, 103 Elementary School, Semarang Regency. Chapter 1 Introduction, which consists of background, formulas problem, research purpose, the benefits of research, and develop product specification. There are 3 points that become the background of this research. The first is the limited use of interactive and technology-based learning media and learning research. The second is learning models and learning methods have not been able to attract student interest in participating in learning. And the third is that the social outcomes of the 5th grade student of 103 Elementary School in social studies subjects in the first semester are still low, as much as 53.8% social studies learning outcomes are still below the minimum criteria. In this research, there are 3 formulations of the problem. First, how is the development of interactive PowerPoint media for human interaction with the environment in 5th grade, 103 Elementary School, Semarang Regency? Second, how is the feasibility of interactive PowerPoint media for human interaction with the environment in 5th grade, 103 Elementary School, Semarang Regency? And the last is, how do the teachers and students respond to interactive PowerPoint media for human interaction with the environment in 5th grade, 103 Elementary School, Semarang Regency? The purpose of this research is to develop interactive PowerPoint media of human interaction with their environment. Knowing the feasibility of interactive PowerPoint media and knowing teacher and student response to interactive PowerPoint media of human interaction with the environment. The benefits of this research are divided into two, consisting of theoretical benefits and practical benefits. The theoretical benefits of this research is that the results of this research are expected to be a reference source for media innovation in improving the quality of learning and can be a reference for further research related to social studies learning media innovation. And then the practical benefits of this research for students can increase student motivation and attractive and can increase student understanding of the content of social studies learning. The benefits for the teachers is to add experience and creativity for teachers in developing and implementing interactive PowerPoint media on social studies learning content. And the benefits for school is that the results of this research can be used as a reference for school in further research in developing media. And the benefits for researchers is to improve skills and increase the experience of researchers in developing learning media. Product specification developed are interactive PowerPoint designs created using Microsoft Office 365 software. Interactive PowerPoint media design is made as attractive as possible, adapted to the needs of teachers and students. Interactive PowerPoint media is combined by hyperlinks on each button so that students use it like playing and easy to operate. Interactive PowerPoint contains material on human interaction with the environment. Interactive PowerPoint media use short, concise, clear, and communicative language. Chapter 2 Literature Review, which consists of a theoretical study and empirical study. Theoretical studies consist of learning media, interactive PowerPoint, social studies, learning in elementary school, and learning. Empirical studies are the results of research in the form of observation that suggest several concepts that are relevant and relate to the research conducted. In this study, the researcher collects several empirical studies that were used as a guide in solving problems. Chapter 3 Research Method. The type of research in this research is research and development. This research is located at the 103 Elementary School, Semarang Regency, and the research was carried out in the advanced semester of the 2020 or 2021 academic year. The data in this research consists of qualitative and quantitative data. Qualitative data containing data from interviews with teachers, filling out questionnaires on teacher and student needs, expert assessment questionnaires, and teachers and student response questionnaires. Quantitative data contains social studies learning outcomes of 5th grades 103 Elementary School in odd semester, and qualitative data that has been converted from expert assessment questionnaires data and response questionnaires. The data source in this research comes from interviews with teachers and student learning outcomes, and the subject in this research were students, teachers, a team of experts, and researchers. Chapter 4 Research Results. Product design based on the survey of teachers and student needs. The needs questionnaire aimed at knowing the needs of teachers and students in developing media that will be developed by researchers. The results of the questionnaire teachers' needs is that the teacher realized that it is necessary to innovate interesting learning media so that it can make it easier for students to understand the material in the social studies learning. The teachers agrees if the researchers develop interactive PowerPoint media with social studies content material on human interaction with the environment. The results of the questionnaire students need is that students need interactive PowerPoint media for social studies learning content material for human interaction with their environment. Product design of interactive PowerPoint media. The interactive PowerPoint media developed by the researcher consists of 41 slides containing the front cover, main menu, instruction for use, KINKD, concept maps, materials, game, bibliography, and closing. Response results of teachers and students. The researchers showed the students and teachers how to use the media. Then the students, one by one, tried to use the interactive PowerPoint media. After that, the students and teachers gave response to interactive PowerPoint media by filling out a questionnaire. Research implication. The implications of this research are divided into 3 parts: theoretical, practical, and pedagogical. Theoretical, interactive PowerPoint media foster teacher creativity and new experience and can assist teachers in delivering material, making it easier for students to understand the material. Practical, for students, it is able to increase student learning motivation and create a fun learning atmosphere. For teachers, it can be an alternative choice of media to improve the quality of learning, and for school, it can be used to improve the quality of school quality through fostering collaboration between teachers in creating learning media. Pedagogical, the teachers can overcome the interest and motivation of students towards social studies learning. The conclusion of this research are: first, The development of interactive PowerPoint media is adjusted to the needs of teachers and students, KIKD, and learning indicators. The interactive PowerPoint media design consists of front cover, main menu, instruction, concept maps, let's learn, games, bibliography, and cover. Number 2. Feasibility of the material validated by material expert obtain a percentage of 100% and from media experts obtain a percentage of 100, which was included in the very feasible criteria. The response by the fifth grade teachers to the interactive program media got a percentage of 100% or was included in the very feasible category. Response by students get a percentage of 99.48% or are included in the very feasible category. Suggestions in this research are: first, the development of interactive program media products can be used as an alternative media choice in social studies learning content. It's important to do further research using interactive PowerPoint learning media. And the last, teachers must be able to understand the characteristics of students in innovating existing learning media to support a higher quality learning process. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I could share in this very special occasion. Thank you for your attention. Your questions and comments are all welcome. Thank you and good morning.